Connor. Can you dance?
Connor, are you gonna dance?
What the heck is that?
Good dog. There's doggy. There's say.
The doggy's outside. You gotta dance.
Doggy say.
He's outside.
This dog is saying. This dog is saying.
I don't know.
This dog is.
Hey, look. There's Emma. What are you doing? Emma?
Look.
Emma? Emma?
That's
That's Nana.
me.
Dance, Connor.
What is he doing?
Did you just spit on you, Mary Rose?
He was gonna punch me and then he spit.
Vicky?
No, thank you. Binky? Oh, Binky. Okay. Someone texted me.
Go.
Come over here.
Go. 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 My phone.
Connor,
Connor, dance.
dance.
This will come back to haunt him.
That's the baby. That baby.
Oh, my blankie. Thank you. I love it. He's a real party boy. He's gotta strip down. That was forever. You ever go potty? Is that why you're dancing? Bathroom? Toilet?
Yeah, when they gotta go to the bathroom, the first thing they do is they take off their shirt.
Really? This happens to me all the time. Help him, guys. You got it? Okay. Okay, now we're gonna dance. He's turning into a redhead. He looks like Tristan. Look, he looks like Robert. I'll hold it. He's got frog boots on. We're all just watching him.